Hi there, this is Bala's Creation. Today I'm here with a beginner tutorial about how to draw a pineapple. Drawing a simple pineapple can be quite fun. Here's the step-by-step guide to help you create an easy pineapple drawing. For drawing, I need paper, pencil, eraser, color marker, and crayons. First, start with draw a slightly long oval shape. This is the base on your pineapple. Or you can create a rectangle shape with a scale, then draw the curved line in the both sides, then erase the corner. This is the two way you can draw an oval shape. Now we will draw the leaves. Draw the curved line, extend the top of the pineapples, create the skippy leaves of the crown. Be careful. The pineapple's leaves are too sharp, so when you are drawing, you have to draw a sharp lines. Around the large oval, draw a series of diamond shapes. These diamonds will make up the texture pattern on the pineapple skin. You can draw these diamonds in rows, slightly tightening them as you go up. Within the crown, draw the sharp line along the leaves to give them more realistic structure. Now here down, I draw two leaves. Now carefully erase any unnecessary and overlapping line, leaving behind the final outline of your pineapple. For coloring, if you want, you can use color marker, pencil or crayons to add the color to your pineapple. The body of pineapple is usually yellow or yellow-brown, while the crown can be green. After color this all, now I am highlighting with black marker. One thing remember, the key to creating a successful drawing is practice. So don't afraid to experiment and make your pineapple unique. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.